Hi, Debbie Chew here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a recipe called Beets and Sweets. It's going to be using red beets and sweet potatoes. And the first thing we're going to do is we've got about 6 beets I've cut up into 1-inch chunks. I've seasoned with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm going to put those in the oven first at about 400 degrees. And these are going to go for about 30 minutes. So we got that started. Now that's the beets part of the recipe. This is going to be the sweets part. So here I've got 1 sweet potato that I've cut into 1-inch chunks. And in my plastic Ziploc bag here, I'm going to put in some spices. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. And then I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And we're going to kind of mix that all up, and we're going to coat our sweet potatoes in this mixture. So let's throw these all into the bag. Now the original recipe called for oil, and I'm going to try this without oil. You know, I've rinsed off the sweet potatoes so they're still a little bit moist. And then we're just going to shake and get these all coated. So the beets are going to cook for 30 minutes, and then we're going to add the sweet potatoes to the cookie sheet, and then we're going to cook for another 45 minutes, stirring every 20 minutes. And then we'll be done. How easy is that? Okay, the beets have been cooking for about 30 minutes. Now I'm going to put the sweet potatoes in there and let them cook for another 45. Well, beets and sweets are all done. What a pretty plate. Can you see that? The color is gorgeous. Very simple recipe. And let's try sweet potato first. A little bit of that sweetness from the brown sugar. And taste the pepper. It's a good little contrast. And the beets. Really good. You didn't need the oil. It tastes great without it. And this would make a great side dish with anything. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.